Hey, thanks for listening today.
Yeah, let's talk about something simple, but important.
Can I ask you something? Honestly,
Sure. You sound serious.
do I sound nervous when I speak English?
Mm, sometimes, yes.
That's what I was afraid of. Why does that happen to me?
Because you care too much about being correct.
Is that really the reason?
Yes. You try to control every sentence.
I do. I check grammar, pronunciation, everything.
And while you check, you stop.
Exactly. That silence feels terrible.
Silence feels louder in another language.
That's true. In my language, silence is normal.
But in English, you feel judged.
Yes, like someone is waiting for me to fail. But native speakers don't feel that pressure, right?
Actually, they do.
Really?
Let me tell you a story.
Okay, I'm listening.
When I first lived in the US, I spoke English every day.
So you were confident.
Not at all. I was nervous too.
That's surprising.
I worried about my accent, about sounding stupid, about pauses.
So what changed?
I noticed something.
What?
People didn't care about my mistakes.
They didn't?
No, they cared about my idea.
That's hard to believe.
I know, but it's true.
I always think people are listening to my grammar.
They're not. They're listening to your message.
That changes everything.
Here's the truth.
Tell me.
English speaking is not about English.
What do you mean?
It's about communication.
So, grammar is not important?
It is important, but later.
Later?
Yes. First comes confidence, then comes accuracy.
But how do I build confidence if I keep making mistakes?
You use tools,
Tools?
simple phrases that give you time.
Like what?
Like, well, let me think for a second. Or, that's a good question.
I hear natives say that a lot.
Exactly. They're not thinking faster than you. They're just buying time.
So, pauses are normal?
Very normal.
Even long pauses?
Yes. As long as you stay relaxed.
I think my problem is fear
Of what?
of sounding stupid.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
When someone speaks your language badly, do you think they're stupid?
No, I respect them.
Exactly. Native speakers feel the same about you.
I never thought of it that way.
You know what sounds nervous?
What?
Silence filled with fear.
And what sounds confident?
Speech filled with intention. So here's your new rule.
I'm ready.
Never stop completely.
Never?
If you don't know a word, describe it. If you forget grammar, keep going.
That feels scary.
Growth always does.
So maybe my English is not the problem.
It never was.
Then what is?
Your fear of being human.
I think I understand now.
Good. That's the first step.
That actually helps a lot.
I'm glad. Just remember, you don't need perfect English.
Yeah, I'll try to keep speaking.
Good. And we'll keep talking.
See you next time.